How to glow water using the photo filter adjustment layer in Photoshop. First, open your brush tool and brush picker. Choose the soft round brush, the opacity 100%, and the flow 50%. Click the foreground color and choose the black. Then press OK. Turn on Quick Mask Mode at the bottom of the toolbar. Paint with black to add to the selection, or press the X key to switch to white if you need to remove any areas from the selection. Click the Quick Mask button when you're finished, to have the painted area transformed into selection. Invert selection, go to Select and Inverse. Open the Layer panel, click on the Adjustment Layer icon, and choose the photo filter. Click Custom Filter Color, and open the color box. In the color picker, choose Watercolor, then press OK. Increase the density to 100%, and close the properties. Change the blend mode to overlay. And that's it. Hope you liked it.